Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove your birth date on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the Profile tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Edit Profile button. Scroll down. In the birth date section, click on the Edit link. Click on Edit again to continue. Scroll down. Click on Remove Birth Date. Click Remove to confirm. Birth date has been removed. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, the changes has been applied. This is how you can remove your birth date on Twitter. Thank you for watching.